How to find new posts from hashtags notifications on Likee app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off new posts from hashtags notifications on Likee app. First thing, go to Likee app. Here you will find these three lines, click on it and then just click settings, and here you will find this one, notifications, click on it. Now just scroll down until you find this one, new posts from hashtags. All you need to do is just click on it, one click. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.